Water problems leave homeowners, property owners feeling helpless. It is an unregulated industry, and it's difficult to find somebody reputable to take care of your dewatering needs. Well, we're here to help the DIY and the property and homeowner to help them hire a contractor that can take care of them so that they're not just stuck on an island with this problem. Now, thanks to you, our subscribers, you've called Boffman Tile and rang their phone off the hook, and they realized, look, there is an industry here in need of a good yard drain pipe and foundation pipe. And here it is, the Boffman High Octane. A lot of subscribers are asking us, when you dig down and hit water and you keep pumping it out and the water table's that high, what do you do when it comes to putting in a foundation? The water keeps filling in these holes, and every time they're pumped out, it just returns quickly. The water table is that high. We are going to build a system to help relieve the water and hope to lower the water table. However, you do need to use helical piers in a case like this. This is down 14 feet. They have a screw at the end, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. This filled up already. It was just pumped out. It's really, really hard to believe this water table is this high. We do see it in our industry. Obviously, we're called out when this kind of stuff happens. We do see it often. So the helical piers, these are 7-footers. You can see the screw is the first part. And then these sections that don't have a screw on it, you bolt to them. So 7-foot sections. The one I showed you over there was a total of 14 feet screwed in the ground. So no, you can't use a concrete cylinder. It doesn't work. The hole keeps filling up with water. Now, I'm also going to show you how far you go and how you know when you went far enough with these helical piers. There's a digital gauge, and you read the pressure that you're putting on the screw. And when you get to a certain point, you know you're in good soil and you're down far enough. Now, the one that we're currently working on in this video, it's going to end up at 21 feet. And there's the gauge. So in closing, homeowners, your contractors can't just hurry up and pour in the concrete as soon as they pump out the water, because that's what they do. 9 times out of 10, that's what you get. And that's why so many projects fail. So many builds fail. So we're going to do a follow-up on this. It's going to take actually a couple of months. What's going on there is a custom balcony, and it's really trick. But I'm going to show you how we did the foundation drain with the Boffman High Octane, so stay tuned. Now we're going to go into building with Zach, and I want to update you on what's going on over there in Lansing, Michigan. This is the third run out to Zach's place. About an hour and a half drive for me to Lansing from my yard. I got some really nice Michigan round rock. Look at that nice color. It's gonna look great in that water feature. And real pretty. Look at that nice smooth round rock. So it won't be a threat to his liner on his water feature. And then I was looking around the nursery, and in the back here where the weeds are all growed up, I come across this. I love this material. I love this material right here. It's crazy dense, crazy heavy too. I know where I got it, so I jackknifed the truck there with the trailer so I can load that pallet in the back of my 1-ton Chevy, and we're gonna start working our way towards Lansing. So I get back to Lansing, Michigan, and I can't even believe how much work is done. Zach has recruited his father to run the mini loader, and he's running it like a pro. Zach, he's been in the excavator swinging like he was born to do this. It's unbelievable. It truly is. This kid is amazing at the age of 15. It's just, you have to subscribe to Building with Zach and check us out.
Yeah.
Like, this is going to look wicked. You want to set this one in your water feature for sure. Many of these are going to look amazing.
Yeah.
When water's running through them. They're all wet, sparkly. Look at how the sun hits it. It's all sparkly and it's dry. Wait till it's wet.
Yeah.
It's going to be wicked. I can't wait. I mean, I am running on pure adrenaline here.
So am I.
I mean, I got to see water flowing on this thing soon. I'm hoping late tonight. I don't want to put no pressure on you, but maybe tomorrow the latest.
Yep.
You know, you're so close. You got your dig done. I mean, it's just some little detail. You could literally just throw the liner in and not even tuck it in full of it and get some water going.
And just get some water rolling. Yep.
It's like you need a little fun, and that's added motivation to keep going.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Dad's back. This is another wicked one. It's all speckled. Wait till you see these wet. You know, after a while you just get an eye for it, so I was cherry picking them, you know, the ones that I knew were gonna really give you a lot of bang, you know. No, there's gonna be a lot of color in this water feature. Your stream, you could go ahead and just randomly, you know, put in boulders. And man, are you getting amped or what?
I am. It's still like a dream come true. That one looks really cool with like the little ridges in it. That's really cool.
That is. I tried to give you a little bit of everything, so hopefully it catches everybody's eye.
Yeah.
But
oh, it'll be catching everyone's eye for sure.
It's awesome. It's awesome. Your dad's getting pretty good on that.
Yeah.
Ditch Witch. All right, subscribers, I didn't want to take you in the backyard and spoil this for Zach, so I want you to stay tuned over on Zach's channel. Go to YouTube, Building with Zach, and I'm just going to tell you this much. This water feature is running on high octane. All right, guys, until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.